A state's license plates consist of 3 letters followed by 5 digits. How many possible license plates can be made using this condition? Well, if you think about a license plate, you have a set of letters and numbers arranged on here. And in this case, we're going to have 3 letters and then followed by, I'm just going to put a dash for a space, 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, a valid license plate could look like WQX 25156, something like that. So we have to figure out how many different license plates are possible under these conditions. And the conditions are, this first item is a letter. And that's a group of items to pick from. So we have 26 items in that group that we can pick out of. Same thing for the second and the third. These are all letters. And so there's 26 items in that group that we can choose from. In this particular case, I chose the W for my first one. So that's a choice out of the 26 possibilities. Same for the Q and same for the X. But effectively, what we have is 26 ways of making the first choice, 26 ways of making the second, 26 ways of making the third. So that's the situation with our letters. Now over here we have digits. Now digits, be careful because digits are numbers and they're only the numbers 0 through 10. And I'm going to write them all out because I want you to make sure you understand there are 10 possible digits because it's 0 through 9. So there's 10 potential digits on any one of these blanks. Each digit is a group that you can pick out of. There's fewer choices to pick a digit than there is to pick a letter, but the fundamental counting principle says when you have multiple groups of items and you want to pick one item out of each group, all you need to do is determine the number of items within each group and multiply all of that together. So according to the fundamental counting principle, this would be, I'm going to use exponents to my advantage, 26 to the third, because there's 3 times 26, or 3 factors of 26, that is, times 10 raised to the 5th. And that's a fairly large amount, but let's see, I've got a 1757 and 600. So that's 1,757,600,000 possibilities.